Hi everyone, welcome to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and if you want to improve your English step by step, don't forget to subscribe and practice with us.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom, and we're really happy you're listening today. Learning English becomes easier when you practice a little every day.
Today's topic is practicing English with yes and no questions. These questions are short, simple, and very useful in daily life.
Yes, they help you start conversations without stress. You don't need long sentences to communicate clearly.
You can practice while shopping. Asking things like, "Is this available?" or "Do you have milk?" is perfect for daily life.
And at cafes or restaurants, you can ask, "Is this table free?" or "Do you have coffee?" It makes interactions easier.
At school, yes and no questions help a lot. You can ask classmates, "Are you ready for class?" or "Do you like this subject?"
During group work, short questions make teamwork smoother. You can ask, "Do we need to finish this today?" or "Is this correct?"
You can practice at home, too. Ask yourself questions about your day, like, "Am I ready for class?" or "Did I finish my homework?"
Or practice while walking outside. Simple questions about what you see, like, "Is this your bag?" or "Are those your shoes?" help you think in English.
Even watching movies or videos is helpful. Pause and ask yourself yes or no questions about the story, like, "Is she happy?" or "Do they go to school?"
Practicing with friends is fun too. You can ask each other questions during a walk or break, like, "Do you like this song?" or "Are you hungry?"
Playing simple games with yes and no questions is helpful. You can guess answers, make it fun, and learn naturally.
You can also practice while cooking. Ask questions like, "Do we need salt?" or "Is this enough water?" It feels natural and useful.
Even exercising is a good chance. Ask, "Am I stretching correctly?" or "Is this heavy enough?" It makes practice part of your daily routine.
Traveling is perfect for yes and no questions. You can ask for directions. "Is this the way to the station?" or "Do I need a ticket?"
And at work, simple questions save time. You can ask, "Is this ready?" or "Do we need more time?" It's polite and clear.
Even texting or chatting online works. Short questions and messages like, "Are you free?" or "Did you finish?" are easy to practice.
Asking yes and no questions helps start conversations naturally. One question leads to another, and slowly you talk more.
Yes, and laughing or having fun with questions makes it easier. Asking, "Do you like pizza?" can lead to a fun conversation about food.
Over time, your confidence grows. Speaking English starts to feel natural and comfortable.
Making mistakes is okay. The important thing is to ask, answer, and practice every day.
Even small daily moments are good practice. Asking, "Is it sunny today?" or "Do I need an umbrella?" is simple and useful.
Practicing regularly helps your listening too. You start to understand answers faster and respond naturally.
Short questions are perfect for beginners. They make English feel simple, real, and practical.
And the more you practice, the more ideas you get for new questions. You can ask about hobbies, plans, food, or daily routines.
Even waiting in line or walking somewhere is a chance to ask questions. "Is this your bag?" or "Are you going home?" works perfectly.
Playing games with yes and no questions is fun too. Guessing answers makes practice enjoyable.
Watching friends, movies, or videos and asking questions about them helps. "Does she like him?" or "Is he happy?" are easy ways to practice.
Practicing in different places, home, school, work, or outside, makes English part of your life. You start noticing opportunities to ask questions everywhere.
Using yes and no questions with family is useful as well. You can ask, "Are you ready for dinner?" or "Do you like this music?" and practice naturally.
Even short walks or trips to the park give chances to ask questions. "Is the weather nice today?" or "Do you want to play?" is simple and effective.
Practicing with classmates during breaks works too. You can ask, "Do you understand this?" or "Is this your notebook?" and keep the conversation going.
Even hobbies help. While drawing, playing sports, or listening to music, ask short questions about preferences and choices.
Practicing during chores is great as well. Asking, is the floor clean? Or do we need more water? Helps you use English in real life.
And simple yes and no questions at stores or markets make communication easier. Do you have apples? Or is this fresh? Are useful for daily interactions.
Even online practice works. Chatting or playing online games with friends, asking, are you ready? Or do you want to join? Are perfect.
Remember, the goal is to practice regularly. Every small question you ask adds to your confidence and fluency.
Using yes and no questions in games is fun. For example, you can play guessing games. Is it an animal? Or do you like this color?
Practicing in groups helps too. You can ask classmates, friends, or coworkers short questions, and they respond quickly, keeping the conversation flowing.
Even simple questions about the weather, time, or schedule work. Is it raining? Or do we have class today? Are perfect.
Another great way to practice yes and no questions is during school activities. You can ask, do you understand this? Or is this correct? And it helps everyone stay involved.
Yes, and asking questions during group projects is very useful. Do we need more time, or is this the final version? Makes teamwork easier.
You can also practice with classmates while studying. Questions like, do you want to review together? Or is this your notebook? Are simple but effective.
And during breaks, you can ask short questions about hobbies or interests. Do you like music, or are you watching a movie later? Keeps conversation going.
Practicing at home is easy too. You can ask family questions like, are you hungry? Or do you want tea? To practice naturally.
Even chores can be practice time. Asking, is the floor clean, or do we need more water? Makes English part of daily life.
Walking outside gives opportunities as well. Questions like, is this your bag? Or are you going home? Are simple and useful.
Playing games with friends is fun and helpful. Do you want to play, or is it my turn? Keeps practice relaxed and enjoyable.
Cooking is another good moment. Asking, do we need salt? Or is this enough oil? Makes English practical and real.
Practicing while traveling is very effective. Is this the right bus, or do I need a ticket? Helps you communicate confidently.
Yes, and even small questions in cafes or restaurants work. Is this table free? Or do you have sugar? Are short and easy.
Watching movies or TV shows can be practiced too. Pause and ask yes or no questions like, is he happy? Or do they like her? To improve thinking in English.
Online practice is useful as well. Chatting or playing games, asking, are you ready? Or do you want to join? Helps you speak naturally.
Asking short yes and no questions about the weather or environment is simple and practical. Is it sunny? Or do we need an umbrella? Gives daily practice.
Practicing with classmates or coworkers in small moments helps too. Questions like, do you need help? Or is this okay? Are easy to use.
Short yes and no questions help shy learners speak more confidently. You don't need long sentences to participate.
Even joking with friends works. Asking, do you like pizza? Or is this funny? Keeps practice fun and interactive.
Playing guessing games with questions is very effective. Is it an animal, or do you like this color? Makes learning feel like a game.
Practicing every day, even for a few minutes, makes a big difference. Small, short questions add up over time.
Yes, and combining questions with activities like walking, shopping, or cooking keeps practice real. You're not just studying English, you're using it.
Over time, your listening and speaking improve naturally. You start answering faster and feeling more comfortable.
Using yes and no questions in all parts of life, school, work, home, travel, makes English part of your daily routine.
Another great way to practice yes and no questions is during public transport. You can ask, is this the right bus? Or do I need a ticket? And it's very practical.
Yes, even waiting in line gives chances to practice. You can ask, is this the only counter? Or do you accept cards?
Shopping is full of opportunities too. Asking, do you have this in my size? Or is this on sale? Makes learning real.
And at the park, you can ask people, is this seat free? Or do you come here often? It helps start casual conversations.
Hobbies are a great way to practice. Asking, do you like painting? Or is this your first time playing? Helps you talk about interests.
Playing sports is perfect for yes and no questions. You can ask, is it my turn? Or do we need another ball? Naturally.
Cooking together gives many small questions. Do we need more sugar? Or is this cooked enough? Makes English useful every day.
Watching movies with friends is fun too. Pause and ask, is he happy? Or do they know each other? To practice thinking in English.
Traveling is another opportunity. Asking, do I need a map? Or is this the right street? Helps you communicate confidently.
Even online activities like games or chats give chances. Are you ready? Or do you want to join? Keeps practice relaxed.
At school, you can ask, do we have homework? Or is the teacher here? During small moments to practice naturally.
During group projects, short questions like, do you understand this? Or is this correct? Make teamwork easier.
Practicing with friends at home is also effective. Are you free? Or do you want tea? Helps you speak casually.
And in your daily routine, questions about the environment work too. Is it raining? Or do we need an umbrella? Keeps learning simple.
You can even use yes and no questions while listening to music. Ask, do you like this song? Or is this your favorite artist? To engage with English naturally.
Short questions while reading or studying help as well. Is this important? Or do we need to remember this? Makes comprehension easier.
Asking about feelings is also helpful. Are you happy? Or do you feel okay? Teaches practical conversation skills.
Practicing in small moments like walking, shopping, or waiting is very effective. Every question you ask builds confidence.
Playing guessing games with friends is a fun way to practice. Is it an animal? Or do you like this color? Keeps learning playful.
Asking questions about daily activities helps you notice details. Is this your backpack? Or do you want water? Turns normal life into practice.
Practicing regularly in different situations, school, work, home, park, or travel, makes English feel natural.
And yes and no questions are perfect because they're short, simple, and easy to repeat. You can practice everywhere, anytime.
Using these questions while walking your dog or exercising is fun. Do you want to play? Or is this your first walk today? Helps you stay active in English.
Even chores are a good chance. Is the floor clean? Or do we need more water? Turns everyday tasks into practice opportunities.
Practicing at cafes is helpful too. Is this seat free? Or do you have sugar? Are short and easy questions to use.
Waiting for friends gives chances to ask questions as well. Are you ready? Or do you want to go now? Make small talk simple.
Playing board games or card games is also a great way. Is it my turn? Or do I win? Helps you practice without thinking too much.
Even hobbies like painting, knitting, or music are good for yes and no questions. Do you like this song? Or is this your favorite color? Helps you practice naturally.
During trips or vacations, asking, is this the right street? Or do I need tickets? Helps you communicate confidently in real situations.
And even short questions at home are useful. Asking, are you hungry? Or do you want tea? Makes English part of daily life.
Practicing this way every day builds confidence. Short, simple questions make learning English easy and enjoyable.
Another great way to practice yes and no questions is while traveling. You can ask, do I need a ticket? Or is this the right bus stop? And it helps you communicate confidently.
Yes, and sightseeing gives many chances too. Is this museum open? Or do we need a guide? Makes English practical and useful.
At work, short questions are very helpful. Is this report ready? Or do we need to finish this today? Keeps communication clear.
During lunch breaks, you can ask, do you want coffee? Or is this seat free? To practice casual conversations naturally.
Shopping for clothes or groceries is full of opportunities.
do you have this in my size? Or is this fresh? Are simple and easy to ask.
Sports and games give lots of practice as well. Is it my turn? Or do you want to play again? Helps you speak naturally while having fun.
Practicing at home with family works too. Asking, are you ready for dinner? Or do you want tea? Turns everyday life into English practice.
Even hobbies like painting, music, or crafts give chances. Do you like this color? Or is this correct? Makes learning enjoyable.
Walking outside or going to the park also gives opportunities. Is this path crowded? Or do you like this view? Keeps practice natural.
And practicing while waiting for friends is great. Are you ready? Or do you want to go now? Helps start short conversations.
During school or classes, short questions make things easier. Do we have homework? Or is this the right page? Helps students participate more.
Playing games with friends is perfect too. Is it my turn? Or do you want to try again? Keeps learning playful and interactive.
Even small chores at home are good practice. Asking, is the floor clean? Or do we need more water? Makes English part of daily life.
And yes and no questions while watching movies, TV shows, or videos help a lot. Is he happy? Or do they like each other? Improves thinking and listening skills.
Traveling with friends or family is perfect for short questions too. Do we need tickets? Or is this the right street? Helps communicate clearly.
Online chatting or gaming also works well. Are you ready? Or do you want to join? Keeps English active and fun.
Using yes and no questions in social situations makes you more confident. Do you like pizza? Or is this funny? Keeps conversation flowing naturally.
Practicing in different situations, home, school, work, park, cafe, travel, makes English feel natural and part of everyday life.
Short questions are perfect for beginners, shy learners, or anyone who wants to improve speaking quickly. They're easy to repeat and remember.
Over time, you'll notice improvement in both speaking and listening. Responding to questions becomes faster, and conversations feel smoother.
Remember, mistakes are okay. The important thing is to ask, listen, and practice every day. Small questions make a big difference.
Using yes and no questions while walking, cooking, shopping, or playing games makes English practice fun and practical. It becomes part of life, not just study.
Keep asking questions in daily life, even if they're simple. Are you happy? Or do you want water? Are easy ways to practice anytime.
And over time, you'll feel more confident talking in English. Small yes and no questions lead to longer conversations naturally.
Thank you so much for listening to the English Learner podcast today. We hope these ideas help you practice yes and no questions in fun, practical ways.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this episode. Practice a little every day, stay consistent, and we'll see you next time.
Keep practicing, have fun, and notice how much your English improves. Even short questions make a big difference in real conversations.
Yes, and remember that every small effort counts. Speaking English becomes easier and more natural when you use it daily.
We're so glad you joined us today. Keep asking questions, exploring English in everyday life, and enjoy your learning journey.
Thanks again for listening. See you in the next episode. And remember, practice makes perfect, one question at a time.